think of a rhyme. PJ Masks, we're the PJ Masks.
Now this is a Bakugan
Robot! Let's go!
that everyone has been wanting the chance to draw for a long time. Even I've been wanting to draw him as well. Tonight we're gonna draw Avior.
Super apple wings!
Super lizard grip. Yeah! PJ Masks, we're the PJ Masks. PJ Masks, we're the PJ Masks. Time to be a hero.
Alright. You saw me draw Avior's really long neck.
When the sun is up, he goes by gray. But in the night is when he saves the day. You can hear him call, go chameleon. He's Gecko. He might be small, but his heart is big. He might be young, but he's got super lizard grip. Sometimes he gets himself into some trouble, but he just needs to flex his
Super gecko muscle!
in a situation called the super beam sensation. He's the mighty little gecko. Sometimes he's a little shy, but he'll make daddies running high. He's a mighty little gecko. A mighty little gecko. He's a mighty little gecko. Step aside, oh, get in line. It's not ninja's time to shine. Sticky spot tricks, I'm the ninja king. You know I'm better at everything. The ninja Lee knows by my side. Nobody can stop this guy. Always was in trouble in the middle of the night. I'm Night Ninja. Breaking all the rules, I'm the coolest of the cool. I'm Night Ninja. I step inside under cover of the night. My ninja moves are out of sight. Try to fight me, you know what I'll do. I'll stop you in your tracks and sticky splat you. Always causing trouble in the middle of the night. I'm Night Ninja. Breaking all the rules, I'm the coolest of the cool. I'm Night Ninja. I'm Night Ninja.
I'll let you stop. Now we draw the wings on his back. They are also considered his arms. Now before we finish off, I also have Avior right here. And a special thing about this Bakugan and is that that's right, he's got double strike action. And there's more. I have this. He's got his battle gear, named Lashor. Battle gear, boost! Hold on, scratch that. Take two. Action. There. There's lashor. Shoot, I didn't show off the drill. Now that's more like it. Now let's finish this off. Ninja King. Alexa, play Super Dragon Ball Heroes Universe Mission theme.
Here's Super Dragon Ball Heroes Universe Mission by Mark
Alexa,
DeGroot on
play Super Dragon Ball Heroes Universe Mission theme.
Super Dragon Ball Heroes Universe Mission theme by Mira Jam on Amazon Music.
That's more like it. And finished. That's how you draw avior. This Bakugan is definitely one of my favorites to draw up, even though this is my first time drawing him. And wow, am I good at this stuff. Anyways, I'm proud you all enjoyed this episode. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. Let me know which Bakugan you want me to draw next in the comments below. I'm always here and I'm never gonna stop. Stegosaurus, see you later.